Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Distant Horizons in Minecraft. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Forge download. After that, open the minecraftforge.net website and this type of interface will be displayed. Now you just need to select the preferred version and then click on the installer button. After that, skip the ad and the downloading will start automatically. After that, open a new tab on your current browser and search for Distant Horizons. Now open the CurseForge website and navigate to the Files section. Inside it, select the same version of the mod as Forge and click on the three dots beside it. After that, download the mod and again open a new tab. There is another software that you would need in order to install the mods. Simply search for Java, open the official Java website and click on the green download button. Again, click on the download button, wait for it to end, and then install it onto your device. Once installed, you just need to double click on Forge and then select Install. Now make sure that the Minecraft launcher is running or it will display an error. Once installed, close the menu, copy the mod file and press Windows plus R on your keyboard. After that, type in %appdata% and give it a go. Inside this folder, navigate to the Minecraft folder, access mods, and then paste it inside the folder. Now open the Minecraft game and you can see we are running a Forge version. Once you are here, click on Mods and then select Distant Horizon from the menu. After you have done that, launch your world and then press the escape key. Inside the menu, select Options and you can see that we have now got the Distant Horizons mod running. So that's basically how you can download and install Distant Horizons in Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.